Hi. So I have almost completed the initial phase of our design. So I have uploaded that as a private app, so no one could able to do that. If you see here, it would be published only for testers, and I have added now only my account. I will soon add your account as well as tester, so you are free to see actually, okay, in the store. And before that, I would like to show you how it was. Okay. I'll just add to the Chrome. I will remove all this extension because it will disrupt all this stuff. Okay, so access has been denied. Sorry. So yeah, I need to add my name there inside. Let me add as a tester account. Okay, so I think I have added it. Right, let's reload, then add, and then press add extension. Okay, now it has been added because I have added that as a tester account. Now it's working fine. Okay, so we will go to a sample page NY times. I believe that is what everyone will go. So I will just open this page. Okay, and then I choose this one. I select this, and if you see, there is an icon which is coming up, and then I can add a comment. So I'll say that sample test comment or code whatever we think it was. Okay, and then I am going to press save. Okay, so if you see here, it has been highlighted and it was ready for share and doing all stuff. And even if I am going to reload these things again, page again, you could also see that it has been saved internally within this browser. It was not published. Okay, and the intent of this particular what's that? This particular information is actually okay, so intent of it is we are just going to look into small. We are not going to go as a big. The purpose is we could able to create annotation. We have created it, and we should have the ability to share to someone else. Okay, so that is the main thing. So I have put an icon. Just don't worry about this UI. We can able to make a better UI and better editor and do all stuff. But we are just focusing on the core now. Okay, and I can press share. It will go for generate link, and then it will try to go somewhere else, and then it will come back like this. Okay, wait a minute, let me show one more thing. So this is called Firebase. I have created a project here in Firebase. Firebase is a serverless architecture where you can able to see all this database and all stuff which is going to be hosted. So I have created everything from Firebase. Okay, so sharing link, I could able to see this is happening. So what I could be able to do is I can just copy this. Okay, I can just copy this, and then I can just give it to anyone else whoever wanted. Okay, so I have copied this and then closed it, and then I am sending to one more tester who is obviously myself. I am sharing the link actually. Okay, so now I got the mail, if you see here. So it has been received from my other email ID to my Gsuite email ID. If you look into this browser, it doesn't have any extension actually. Okay, and we have this domain annotateweb.firebaseapp.com/redirect.html, which belongs to me obviously, and then it has some x86 parameter. So I'm going to click this thing. It will verify whether the extension has been installed, and then so it will say that extension not installed, please install extension here. Unfortunately, I haven't done anything here because now since we are making that private, it won't work here. Okay, so I need to go to the extension link, which is obviously this one. since you know that, right? The initial step itself, nothing works actually if the permission is not given. So I am opening it, and there is an option for me, add to Chrome, and now I will add this extension to Chrome, and let's see. Okay, so our application has been added to Chrome. Okay, so now what I can do is I can just open this URL again. It will now redirect to the page. We need to wait for loading because our extension will work only after everything has been loaded. Okay, so we'll wait for some time till all this thing has been done. Okay, it's done. And if you see here, see, tada, our sample test code which we have sent from here has been received here. Okay, so this is the context now. The main purpose of this is, I'll show you from the beginning what are all the things which we have done. Okay, let me open the design document first. Okay, user can download the extension from Chrome. Obviously, user can do that. User can create an account and save annotated links. That's what we haven't done it. Rather than we can make the people to share the links to their friends anonymously. We need to work on that. User can share link via copy, paste, email, social. Yeah, that is working fine. If you see here things, we also have this thing called social, generating link. And if I am going to click Facebook, you could see that it is going to show me the link actually, and you could be able to share it always. Okay. And the next thing is user can annotate a live website. We have seen that we have annotated only a live website, nytimes.com, where you can try and do that. This is basically like whatever we have done. It was just a minimal product, MVP, minimum viable product, to ensure things are being done. I will show you the technical aspects of it. Okay, now there are two projects which it works, which is extension, Annotate extension, which is obviously all the browser related stuff. Things are happening here. It will be taken care of, which is Annotate extension. That is a big module. And another thing is Annotate web. Okay, it was hosted in Firebase and it has RESTful APIs and all stuff. Since I have done only for free, it was supposed to go for a large thing, because if you see here Annotate web, I have created that and it already have 2.5 some MB and it has been deployed by me, and there is no authentication. I have made this like anonymous enabled. Okay, so everyone can just go there and do it. That was too technical, we will leave that. And then there is one more thing called hosting, okay, where I can host a live website. Currently I have hosted in their free domain. If we are going to do, we can also host it in another domain. Actually, you can just put the domain here. The purpose is actually like in order to verify the extension has been installed, and if the extension is installed properly, you can redirect it. And also we can do like if you want to manage all the links, for example, you can manage the links here. Actually, currently we see here, I will show you from the beginning what are all the things. So there is a thing called Annotate links, and each and everything is a link. Actually, if you see here, it has a code and it has some range where the annotation has been marked and end and all stuff. Okay, so these are all the stuff. I believe this should give you a brief overview of whatever we have done. There are multiple things which we can do as well, because currently whatever we are writing within plain note actually. So if you see here, if we are going to edit it here, it will be in plain note, right? No one likes a plain note. They need rich text, rich colors and all stuff. We need to do that actually, but since this is for the proof of concept, I have just put it like that. We are always free to do like this here as well, like the bold, and if you want to add some any vector here for the code and all stuff, we can do that. And then we don't want to use this way, rather than we can use a left hand side dashboard as well if you want, because that would be performance friendly. If I am going to add, this will take most of performance actually, so we can use that as well. Okay, and editing, we can add tags and all stuff, whatever thing if you want, we can do things, and that is another stuff. And then yeah, I think that's it. Whatever the initial stages. I believe it would be useful. Actually, I don't miss everything. Thank you.